They call me the second ninja.
And they call me the 3 and 1. See? C3. Yeah.
The gorilla! He's coming!
Ah! What the fuck? What the fuck?
I thought I seen a monkey.
It's a Toledo.
Wait, hold on. Oh, it was a butterfly.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Alright.
Kill the butterfly! Hey.
What the fuck is that? Let me see.
Extra!
What? I don't even know what that is. It's nasty.
It's the gorilla touch.
It's nasty. Hey, treehouse for bugs.
Oh, it's moss.
That's moss?
Yeah.
Ew. That's nasty.
I will kill that one with my Minecraft spear.
Spear?
I'll kill it with my Minecraft Peter.
Ew.
You know you want some. Come on, Jack.
No.
Look, we met a gorilla since we can go. Yo, can you edit this and put gorilla on it?
No.
Hey, I see the gorilla standing right there. Come on.
There's a gorilla. The gorilla's the wall. My turn. Ah!
Your turn.
I'm not sure about this.
My turn. Sticky in there after. Damn, my dick broke.
Well, that's a bummer.
Damn it.
Mine was a phony.
I gotta tape the dildo back on.
Come on. We're going to explore. We're going on an adventure.
Rolando.
Ah. So, we're on this adventure. Around apartments. And we don't know what the fuck to do. So we're just walking around and holy shit! What the fuck? Ah!
I go first.
What the fuck was that? There's a gorilla! Gorilla! No! Are we safe? No, let's act like we're tired.
I gotta get some energy by fucking this tree.
Ooh, look, there's a doggy.
Yo, look. Oh yeah.
Hey, let's run and then like 2 feet and let's I think we lost him.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. Are you dead?
It's not foot.
Get up! There's a bug on you.